The Sun is a smallish star that sits at the centre of our solar system. It's an incredibly hot and dense ball of mainly hydrogen and helium. The solar system consists of all of the planets and the other debris that goes around the Sun. It's a huge area of space, with the distance from the Sun to the outermost planet Neptune being over 4 billion kilometres. Like the Earth, the Sun spins on an axis. Its spin is a bit more complex though, with the poles spinning over a period of about 35 days, and near the equator taking 25 days to spin around once. Its axis of spin is on a bit of a lean as well at 7.25 degrees compared to the Earth's orbit around the Sun. The surface is as hot as the centre of the Earth at around 5,500 degrees, and in the core it's 15 million degrees, and that's where the nuclear fusion happens. The Earth, where we live, and the nicest place to live in the solar system, is the largest rocky planet in the solar system. It spins at a rate of 1 rotation per day, so once every 24 hours. The axis is tilted at 23.5 degrees, and if you viewed the Earth from above the South Pole, it would appear to rotate clockwise. Back to the Sun, the Earth orbits the Sun at a rate of 1 orbit every year, or 365.25 days. We add the quarter days up every 4 years and plonk in an extra day on the 29th of February. The distance we travel around the Sun is 1 billion kilometres. Right, I made the Earth and the Sun a lot bigger so we can see more easily what's going on. If we viewed the whole thing from above the Sun's North Pole, we would see the Earth going around the Sun in an anti-clockwise direction. We can also see just how much slower the Sun is spinning compared to the Earth. The distance between the Sun and Earth is enormous at around 150 million kilometres. To get around the billion kilometre circuit in a year means we have to be going around the Sun at 30 kilometres per second. It's worth mentioning that the Earth's orbit isn't perfectly circular. On the 4th of January this year, we were 5 million kilometres closer to the Sun than we were 6 months earlier, so our closest approach to the Sun occurs during our summer. It also means the Earth is travelling at the fastest at just over 30 kilometres per second. It's good to get some idea of the size difference between the Sun and the Earth, just to show how massive a star is. The Earth is that tiny little dot on the right hand side. 109 Earths would fit across the face of the Sun. And the volume of the Sun is more than 1,300,000 times that of the Earth. It is a monster compared to our little rocky planet, and its mass is more than 300,000 times the Earth's. The most amazing thing about all of this is that we figured it out from the surface of the Earth by watching the sky appear to move and taking note of the repeating patterns that we see year after year. The observation of the sky and being able to figure out that we are a big spherical rock on a 1 billion kilometre long racetrack going around an enormous hot ball is truly astonishing.